The Leaning Tower of Pisa, or simply the Tower of Pisa, is the campanile, or freestanding bell tower, of the Cathedral of the Italian city of Pisa, known worldwide for its nearly 4-degree lean, the result of an unstable foundation. The tower is situated behind the Pisa Cathedral and is the third oldest structure in the city's cathedral square, the Piazza dei Miracoli, formerly known as the Piazza del Duomo. Due to soft ground which could not properly support the structure's weight, the tower began to lean during construction in the 12th century. By the time it was completed over a span of 200 years in the 14th century, the lean worsened. By 1990, the southern tilt of the tower had reached 5½ degrees. The structure was stabilized by remedial work between 1993 and 2001, which reduced the tilt to 3.97 degrees. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and remember to subscribe to our channel. In the meantime, from Italy, buona giornata a tutti. Arrivederci.